Hello, welcome to the potting shed. So this video is going to be about recycling and what I use or reuse from everyday life to help sow my seeds and grow them on. So let me show you. So yeah, I have a lot of these fruit pots. We have grapes every week, so they're quite good because they've got holes at the bottom. And what we like to do with the boys is, these are French beans, so we've just sown these and we sow them as close to the plastic as possible, so you can then actually see the roots grow and the stems grow. So that's pretty cool. So what else we've got? So other things are like meat trays and ham trays. I reuse it all. Look at these. So yeah, the old COVID tests, users, markers, labels, toilet rolls, cups, and cartons. So these are other things I want to show you about. So I like to use milk cartons for courgettes, and I'll show you why. So first of all, you can see where there used to be a label. There's usually a line around it, so that's quite handy. So I'll just cut around it. Make sure there's drainage holes. So that's about the right size for, I say, 4 courgettes to start them off. So get some peat-free seed mixture. So I like to just pop courgettes in so they're just about showing. So I don't cover them. I just prefer this method. I have a better germination rate like this. So that's what I'll do. And then, what is it? Courgette piccolo. Courgette piccolo. Well, you can see it's courgette anyway. So yeah, it saves me a label as well. And this doesn't go to waste. I'll show you what I do with that. So when I plant courgettes, pumpkins, I always stake them just where the roots are. So when I come to water, because the leaves are all over the place, I know exactly where to water. So this helps. So I put the cane exactly where the root is, and then that'll be sticking up so I know where it is, and then I'll put this on top of it as well. So this just helps collect the water, and it runs down exactly where the roots are because there's leaves covering it all. And I also put like comfrey and feed in here as well, so it all goes down there. So that's another good tip.